Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 5 of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. So let's get into the video. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any changes, you can be able to note those changes if you watch the video till the end. So coming to first question. Let marks code be a dictionary of items given below. So marks code in maths is 80, science 90, English 85 and social 95. So question is, which of the following operation will print the items of the dictionary? So the answer for first question is first option, marks code dot items. So this function or operation will print the items of the dictionary. So mark first option as correct answer for first question. And coming to second one, which of the following operation on the dictionary marks code in question 1 will remove a specified key and return the corresponding value? So in order to perform that, the answer or the operations should be third option, marks code dot pop. So it pop means it will remove a specified key and returns the corresponding value. So pop is the operation. Coming to third one, speech recognition does not work on dot wave extension files. So the answer is false. And coming to fourth one, what are the items in the following dictionary? Dictionary is equal to x square for x in range of 11 if x modulus 2 is equal to 0. Print of dictionary. So the items in the dictionary are even numbers and their squares. That means if there is number 2 and there is exist also 4, if the number is 4 and it exists 16, like that. So second option. In fifth question, in the game rock paper scissors, if player 1 enters 456 and player 2 enters 684 with their secret bits 0 and 2 respectively, then the expected outcome of the game would be. So the answer is option D, insufficient data. So there is no conclusive data to predict the outcome. So mark fourth option as correct answer for fifth question. Friends, these are my probable answers. So if you feel any changes, you can comment the correct option in the comment section, so others can also view those answers. Coming to sixth one, they have given a program. So the correct option for the sixth question is the first option. So mark first option as correct answer for sixth question. That is this one. And coming to seventh one, binary search can be applied on any list of random elements. So they have given a statement. So the statement is false. And coming to eighth one, which of the following is true about bubble sort? So there are four options. So my answer is, in each iteration, every consecutive pairs of the unsorted list are compared. So third option is the correct answer for eighth question. And coming to last but one question, which are the given statements precisely explains the action of the given code? So ninth question answer is third option, that is it rolls the dice as long as the input is y or the sum of their face values is 12. So third option explains the given statement precisely. And coming to the final question of this week. 10th one. What will be the output of the following code? So 10th question answer is again option C, that is 2301. So friends, these are the answers regarding the 5th week of the Joy of Computing Using Python course. So I am going to submit these answers. If you find the video helpful for you, then like this video, subscribe my channel and stay tuned to my channel. Keep supporting us like this. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you, bye.